Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to connect your social media accounts to Canva. This makes it easy to publish your designs directly to your favorite platforms without any extra steps. Let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, to connect or post directly to social media, all you need to do is click the Share button in the upper right corner. Once you click the Share button, go to the three horizontal lines. Scroll down and you will see your social media options. From here, you can view all the available social media accounts and connect them with just a few clicks. For example, let's use Instagram. You can see your account listed there. Click Disconnect so we can go through the process of connecting an Instagram account. Click Disconnect with Instagram again to confirm. This will allow us to reconnect the account fresh. If you are already logged in, you will be taken to the next screen automatically. Click Continue and give it a moment to load. Once it finishes loading, you will see that it is now connected to your account. We can do the same for Facebook. If you want to connect your Facebook account, the process is exactly the same. You can see that we have already connected our Facebook account here. Just make sure each account is connected before you try to post. When you are ready to publish, click Share, select your platform, and then click Publish. Choose your post settings and confirm, and your design will be posted right away. And that is how we connect social media accounts to Canva. It is a simple setup that makes sharing your designs quick and easy.